Good morning, students. Today we'll solve problem number 2 of natural rod. Determine the height of the chimney required in a boiler having natural rod equivalent to 20 mm of water. The flue gases are at temperature of 300 degrees centigrade. Atmospheric air temperature is 27 degrees centigrade and 80 kg per kg of fuel is required in the boiler. So if you read the question carefully, you will get the small h, that is 20 mm of water. The flue gases are at temperature 300 degrees centigrade. It means Tg is given 300 degrees centigrade. Atmospheric air temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. It means Ta is given 27 degree centigrade. And 18 kg per kg of fuel is required in the boiler. It means mass of air is given. 18 kg of air we are using for 1 kg of fuel. So we'll start to solve the numerical problem. So first of all, we write the solution and we note down all the values which are given. Height of the chimney, we have to find out the height of chimney. Small h, 20 mm of water. Then Tg is given. Tg is 300 degrees centigrade. We add 273 to convert into Kelvin. Then Ta is given 27 degree centigrade. 273 ऐड करने पर हमें मिलता है 300 Kelvin. Now we use the formula small h is equal to 353h bracket में 1 upon Ta minus m plus 1 upon m into 1 by Tg. So we put all the values which are given. So we have to find out, determine the height of chimney. So we need to find out capital H. Small h is given 20 mm of water. Ta is given 300 Kelvin. Tg is given 573 Kelvin. So if we put the value 20 is equal to 353h, and if we solve the numerical, we get the answer. Capital H is equal to 37.99 meter. So we got the height of the chimney. So this is the height of chimney. So we have solved this problem. If you are facing any problem to solve the numericals of natural rod, you can comment or ask the question on my channel. Next problem is, we have to solve this problem. Problem number 3, natural rod. A boiler house has a natural rod chimney of 20 meter height. Flue gases are at temperature of 380 degrees centigrade and ambient temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. Determine the draught in mm of water column for maximum discharge through the chimney and also the air supplied per kg of fuel. So if we read the question once, a boiler has a natural draught chimney of 20 meter height. So 20 meter height is given, that is the chimney height is given 20 meter, and you need to note down flue gases are at temperature 380 degrees centigrade. So we have noted down the Tg is given 380, we have converted in Kelvin. Then Ta is given 27 degree, so 273 add करने पर it comes out 300 Kelvin. In most of the question, atmospheric temperature is given 27 degrees centigrade. So we need to find out, we know all the values except small h, because you need to find out, determine the draught in mm of water column. So we need to find out small h for maximum discharge through the chimney. For maximum discharge through the chimney, capital H is given 20 meter. So first of all, if we please note down the question, which values are given. After writing the solution, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का तरीका यही होता है कि सबसे पहले आप एक बार क्वेश्चन को कायदे से पढ़ लें. जो वैल्यूज आपको समझ में आ रही हैं, दी गई हैं, उनको आप एक बार नोट कर लें. अगर आप फार्मूले में पुट कर रहे हैं तो फार्मूले में उसको किस यूनिट में रखना है, ये बात आपको ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो हेयर we need to use the condition for maximum discharge. Condition for maximum discharge, ये कंडीशन होती है जब आपके चिमनी से मैक्सिमम फ्लू गैसेस बाहर निकलेंगी. उस समय कंडीशन जो होगी Tg अपॉन Ta इज इक्वल टू 2m+1/m. आपने इस क्वेश्चन में देखा होगा we solved the two numericals previously. In both the numericals m was given, but in this question m is not given, but the condition is given, that is of maximum discharge. So it is a very important relation. Sometimes it is asked in numericals for the condition of the discharge, for the condition of the maximum discharge. So you have to use this formula directly. So Tg is given, Ta is given, we need to find out m. So we can write like this 2. अगर हम इसे सेपरेट कर लेते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 2 1 प्लस 1/m is equal to, we put the value of Tg, that is 653 Kelvin upon 300 Kelvin. So if we solve this, m comes out 11.32 kg per kg of air, per kg of, this is air per kg of fuel. So we have solved this. Now we need to find out small h. So when m is known, you can easily use the formula small h is equal to 353 capital H 1 upon Ta minus m+1 upon m into 1 upon Tg. So if you put the values, capital H is given 20 meter, so small h is equal to 353 into 20 1 upon Ta, that is 300, minus m 11.32 plus 1 11.32 1 upon Tg is 653 Kelvin. So here H comes out, after solving this, H comes out 11.77 mm of water. So this is the answer. So we have solved 3 numerical problems on natural rod. One special case was for maximum discharge, and problem number 1, 2, 3. Please solve all the numerical problems at home from yourself, and try to make some notes of natural rod, because it is very important for the subject point of view as well as exam point of view. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can send me the comments in box at my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.